Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about how to transfer all your data from a smartphone or from a Samsung or anyone that's got an SD card slot, tell you the truth, to your SD card. So it's dead easy, and I've had a lot of people ask me this question: how do I do it? And I've been sort of on YouTube trying to figure it out myself. So it's really easy. Just go to your albums. So literally go to your gallery, and then click on albums. So click on albums. Okay, so click on albums and then go to these three little dots here. So if you click on that, it will say create a new album. So click on create a new album, but then it will also say internal, external storage. Make sure you select that one and say external SD card. Select SD card, give it a name. So I'm going to just do a random name, create. And then whatever pictures you want to put in there. So I'm just going to go to my screen grabs. I'm just going to grab these images like so. So I'm grab all these and then click again on this little three little dots. Oh, that's not worked. So click on these three little dots. Move to album. So click on move to album. Find your album. So there it is. And then those will move directly to your SD card. How you know it's your SD card is because on the little icon, it will tell you there's a little kind of like symbol. There it is. Can you see it? That's the SD card slot. So that's saying that all those images in that folder are saved onto your SD card. So, a great way of sort of backing up all your images to your SD card. Dead easy to do. Nothing too difficult. So yeah, all my pictures are now on my SD card, and I can sort of take anything that on here that I don't need now. So yeah, thanks for watching. Any questions, please do post, and I'm happy to respond. Thank you.